Hey everyone, this video is about optimizing video content and enhancing web performance. But why did I create this video? Well, there's two reasons. One, if you're a client who has had a video done, then I think you should know what extras you can get from it to get a better return on investment. And two, if you're a video producer like me, then these are things you should either be telling your clients, doing for your clients, or upselling to your clients. So if you want to improve your investment or keep your clients coming back for more, then watch on. In the digital age, video content reigns supreme, offering a dynamic way to engage your audiences, convey messages, and enhance your online presence. However, integrating video into your website poses unique challenges, including maintaining swift loading times, ensuring seamless user engagement, and optimizing for search engines. In this video, we'll dive into the essentials of video optimization for your website, ensuring your content is not only captivating, but also contributes positively to your site's performance. Why optimize video content then? Enhanced user experience. Users expect fast, responsive websites. Optimizing your video content ensures that your site meets these expectations, leading to a higher engagement and satisfaction. Improved SEO. Search engines favor websites that optimize content, including videos. Properly optimized videos can significantly boost your site's visibility and ranking. Reduce bounce rates. A fast loading video can be the difference between a visitor staying on your page or leaving. Optimizing videos ensures that they load quickly, keep your audience engaged longer. So, a step-by-step guide to video optimization. Number 1. Select the right video hosting platform. Choosing where to host your videos is crucial. Platforms like YouTube and Vimeo offer ease of use, broad reach, and reliability. Alternatively, self-hosting gives you complete control over the video experience. Consider your needs regarding SEO, control, and audience reach when making your choice. Two, compress and convert your videos. Large video files slow down your website. Use tools like Handbrake to compress your videos without losing quality. Additionally, converting your videos to widely supported formats like MP4 ensures compatibility across all devices. 3. Use responsive design. Ensure your videos look great on any device by implementing a responsive design. Use HTML5 and CSS to adjust the video size and aspect ratio dynamically, providing a seamless viewing experience for your audience. 4. Implement lazy loading. Lazy loading delays the loading of your videos until they're actually needed, significantly improving your site's load time. This technique can be implemented with just a few lines of code or through various plugins depending on your website's platform. 5. Optimize video thumbnails. Your video thumbnail is the first thing viewers will see. Make it count by choosing engaging, high-quality thumbnails that actually represent your video content. Custom thumbnails can lead to a better engagement and click-through rates, and don't be afraid to change them as time goes on to see which works better. 6. Include transcriptions. Adding transcriptions to your videos boosts SEO and accessibility, allowing search engines to better understand and index your content. It also caters to viewers who prefer reading or require text for accessibility reasons or want to watch your videos during work time. 7. Leverage browser caching. By caching videos in visitors' browsers, you can speed up loading times for repeat visitors. This can be configured through your web server's settings, ensuring that once a video is downloaded, it doesn't need to be re-downloaded on subsequent visits. Eight. Utilise content delivery networks, CDNs. CDNs distribute your video content across multiple servers worldwide, reducing the distance between your videos and your audience. This ensures faster loading times, improving the overall user experience. SEO for videos. Optimizing your video content for search engines is just as crucial as optimizing for performance. Ensure your videos have compelling metadata, including descriptive titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags. Utilizing structured data such as schema.org further enhances your video's visibility to search engines, providing them with detailed information about your content. Monitoring video performance. Track how your optimized videos affect your website using tools like Google Analytics. Monitor load times, engagement metrics, and the overall impact on your SEO to understand the effectiveness of your optimization efforts. So, to round up, video optimization is a critical component of web performance and user engagement. By following these guidelines, you can ensure your video content is not only engaging, but also enhances your website's overall performance and SEO. Experiment with different techniques and tools to find out what works best for your specific needs. And remember, the goal is to always provide the best possible experience for your audience. Now, we're not an SEO company or a website company, but a videography company. And these are things you should know as either a client who has invested in a video or you produce videos for clients. We want you to get the most out of your videos. Oh, and if you want to know more about our video services, then visit the website. Cheeky plug. Hope you enjoyed this. Look forward to seeing you again.